Torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $13.6700 a coin, in a kind of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 13.6000-14.2400, in a for the most part huge manner. The earlier day close, 13.6400 in an unpretentious way. The change sort of was plus 0.0300. Plus 0.22%, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $14.59, certainly greatest 15.61. Especially least 13.57 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $15.01, especially most extreme 16.06, certainly least 13.96. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $14.68, most extreme 15.71, exceptionally least 13.65 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost $14.29 in every practical sense. Greatest 15.29 in every practical sense, least 13.29, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $14.06, really greatest 15.04, sort of least 13.08, which essentially is genuinely huge. In multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $14.18, extremely greatest 15.17, truly least 13.19 in a quite huge way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost $14.31, for the most part greatest 15.31, least 13.31, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, July 19, cost $14.29, truly greatest 15.29. Truly least 13.29, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $14.68, most certainly greatest 15.71, truly least 13.65, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $15.07, truly most extreme 16.12, truly least 14.02 in an all things considered large way. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $14.10, truly greatest 15.09, beautiful least 13.11, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $14.13, greatest 15.12, kind of least 13.14. Showing how torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $15.01, especially most extreme 16.06, really least 13.96 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $13.84, exceptionally most extreme 14.81, kind of least 12.87, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost $14.29, by and large greatest 15.29, for the most part least 13.29. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $14.00, lovely greatest 14.98, by and large least 13.02. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $14.70. All things considered, greatest 15.73, truly least 13.67, which is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $14.43, kind of most extreme 15.44, certainly least 13.42, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost $15.36, kind of greatest 16.44 in every practical sense, least 14.28, exhibiting that torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $14.29, especially most extreme 15.29, all things considered, least 13.29 in a very huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $16.22, most extreme $17.36, least $15.08, which essentially shows that torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 13, cost $14.29, really greatest $15.29. Exceptionally least $13.29 in a quite large way. Torrential slide figure on Friday, August 4, cost $16.42, especially most extreme $17.57, especially least $15.27. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $16.02, most extreme $17.14, in every way that really matters. Least 14.90 in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $16.13, genuinely most extreme 17.26, fundamentally least 15.00, or so they in every way that really matters thought. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale essentially equivalent to 0.0732 coins per $1, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 0.0702 0.0735, or so they by and large thought. The past AS nearby, 0.0733, which basically is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.0001, 0.14%. Exceptionally further appearance how the change especially was plus 0.0300, plus 0.22%, which essentially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax cost gauge 4, in the not so distant future and month. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 10, cost 0.069 coins, really greatest 0.074, extremely least 0.064, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost 0.067 coins, especially greatest 0.072, truly least 0.062, so the change basically was plus 0.0300, plus 0.22% in an especially huge way. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, July 12, cost 0.068 coins, especially greatest 0.073. Especially least 0.064, which basically is very critical. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Thursday, July 13, cost 0.070 coins, especially most extreme 0.075, really least 0.065, which especially is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, July 14, cost 0.071 coins in every practical sense. Greatest 0.076, certainly least 0.0